owengamele zokuthutha ubalule ubumqoka balezi imoto ezethulwayo.
These vehicles that we will launch or introduce onto the roads today is there to ensure that we keep our roads safe. So there's 500 offenders that we will be out to make sure that if they are on the road for various infringements, we will act.
Uchaze kabanzi ngobuchwepheshe besimanje obukulezi imoto.
There's cameras in, and I'll be officially launching it at the end of today, after the graduation of the 86 graduates, and then we'll allow the media to have an opportunity to actually view what groundbreaking initiatives and innovation this department is bringing to ensure that we keep the road safe.
Uthi kunabafundi ababeqeqeshwa bazoba ingxenye yokulwa nabephula imithetho yomgwaqo esifundazweni.
86 students will graduate today. They will be deployed across the province at various centers, traffic centers, and the one fatality is one too many.
Bayikhulu amashumi amathathu nambili abantu abashonela emgwaqeni esifundazwe iWestern Cape ngonyaka owedlule.